Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we will talk about upgrading leaf spring of Nissan Frontier with step-by-step process. Is leaf spring upgrading necessary? Of course it is. A leaf spring can be a lifesaver for heavy-duty vehicles. Welcome to Vehicles Bro. So, in this video we will talk about how to replace leaf springs on Nissan Frontier. Stay tuned. Step 1. Preparation. Firstly, remove the existing leaves and loosen the suspension system before working. Use oil in the bolts, brackets, or nuts. Step 2. Raising the Nissan Frontier. At first, take a hydraulic jack and elevate the vehicle minimum of 3 inches at the back end. Put a jack stand underneath the bottom axle. Maintain the truck's suspension at the back. Remove the loosened nuts and remove the side wheels. Now you should be able to reach leaf springs. Step 3. Removing the base plate. At the beginning, locate the bottom mounting stud, pull out the fasteners, and remove the shock absorbers. Next, detach the pins attached to the U-bolts and remove the base plate. Step 4. Installing the new kit. Using the hinge pin, locate the inner shackle and insert it into the steel sleeve. Following that, you must precisely align the leaf spring with the axle. After that, please put the hinge pin on the shackle and lock it with nuts. Step 5. Completing the installation. Finally, lift the front of the spring to a certain height, put the bolt into its site, and lock it with the nut and install U-bolts. Remember to place them in place and lock them. After you've finished replacing the leaf springs, reattach and tighten the end wheels. Thanks for watching.